One night, as I laid alone on the couch 8 months pregnant, accompanied only by good friends, insomnia, heartburn, and Netflix, a food documentary droned on in the background. The clock would strike 4 a.m. soon, and I began to hear the birds in the front yard. We were weeks away from meeting our new baby, our firstborn, and we still didn't have a name. The episode that played in the background was highlighting Israel, an unlikely food destination in my mind, so I was barely paying any attention until I heard the word Akko.
The port city of Akko, established 4,000 to 5,000 years ago, is one of the oldest continually inhabited places on the earth and one of the promised territories to the Israelites by God in the book of Judges 1.
May you and your children forge a legacy just as lasting.
And more each passing day.
It was the safest natural harbor in the eastern part of the Mediterranean.
May you be a safe harbor for all who come to know you. May they find acceptance and mercy from you. May you always remember that our home will be a shelter from the storm, that God will fight for you. You only need to be still.
About your heart.
Every ruler wanted to control Akko, thus it changed hands very frequently. It was truly a city to fight for.
May you harbor and cultivate a gallant spirit. May you be courageous always, never back down from a cause worth fighting for. Most of all, fight to be close to God.
There are no policemen in the city of Akko because there is no need for them. Arabs and Jews coexist in peace and with mutual respect for one another, making Akko one of the most integrated cities in Israel.
In a world ever more interested in highlighting fault lines, amplifying differences, and applauding voices that are extreme, controversial, and divisive, may you bring peace to chaos, kindle peace in your heart, trust in Him always, and respect those who are different than you. May you greet the world with curiosity and wonder.
Believe me when I say.
Every day at 4:30, the call to prayer sounds throughout Akko, echoing in the stillness as the morning light dawns on a new day.
May you pray continuously and always. May you answer the call to prayer daily, in season and out of season. Tell God your heartaches and triumphs. He is always with you all the days of your life.
And this is our blessing to you, Psalm 20. May the Lord answer you when you are in distress. May the name of the God of Jacob protect you. May He send you help from the sanctuary and grant you support from Zion. May He remember all your sacrifices and accept your burnt offerings. May He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. May we shout for joy over your victory and lift up our banners in the name of our God. May the Lord grant all your requests. Now this I know, the Lord gives victory to His anointed. He answers him from His heavenly sanctuary with the victorious power of His right hand. Some trust in chariots and some in horses, but we trust in the name of the Lord our God. They are brought to their knees and fall, but we rise up and stand firm. Lord, give victory to the King. Answer us when we call.
We love you.